Yes, I am.
So every day I spend my time drinking wine, feeling fine, waiting here to find the sign that I should take it slow.
Here I go, here I go, here I go.
Off again, there he go to another dimension. My mind, body, soul in prison. My eye, probably going ballistic, but listen, I miss